In this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram login problem easy and fast. So all what you have to do is open the settings page on your phone, scroll down, go to the apps manager, and then go to apps. Right here on this page, you will find the apps that you have on your phone. Just scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, and then all what you have to do is wait a few seconds. It will start computing the storage, and now all what you have to do is click on the storage, click on clear data, go back, click on this force stop option, and then go down to the power usage details and make sure that the app launch is on manage automatically. Go back and then click on app details and it will take you directly to the Play Store. Now all what you have to do here is click on the update section right here, and yeah, that's it for today's video, and I am sure that the problem is gonna be solved. See you later. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe.